Hello, friends. Welcome to a lesson on Christmas in Mexico, specifically Mexico. Spain has some different traditions, like eating 12 grapes. But we're going to talk about how Christmas is different in Mexico. First, let's talk about Christmas here in the United States. One of the big symbols for Christmas in the United States is, of course, the Christmas tree. Now, this tree is not used in Mexico. You can't find this tree. So let's look at why. So this is where my family's from, a place called San Luis Potosi. If you see here, oh, my face is covering up Michigan. If you see here, here's Michigan. And you'll notice how green the map has it. And then when we come down here to where I'm from, Mexico, it's kind of a brownish color. They have more dirt there, not as much green vegetation. Now, when we get down to Central America, you do get some stuff. But let's get a little bit closer to Mexico, to San Luis Potosi. Let's drop a ball. Tangumas over here. Okay, so these are what the houses look like. And the reason we don't have Christmas trees is the same reason the houses look like this. Can you notice anything different about these houses? We don't have pointy tops to our houses in Mexico. Now, the reason you have Christmas trees and pointy tops to your houses is because of snow. Here in Michigan and in Europe, away from the equator, it is colder. So we have evergreen trees. They're native here. If I take my same map and type in Ferndale Upper Elementary School, and I do the same thing. I drop my person down here right in front of the school. Right in front of the school, you can see an evergreen tree. Just chilling there. Let's see if we go across the street. Up, another evergreen tree, another evergreen tree. And here the houses look like the evergreen trees. They have little points on top of them. This is to stop the snow. If you had a flat house and the snow landed on top of it, the snow would stay there and eventually the water would leak through and go into your house. Our houses are made so that the snow melts and goes off the sides. So we have no Christmas trees. So the next question is, well, then what do we put in our houses, right? Well, in Mexico, most people put up a nativity scene. You've probably seen this in front of churches, and this replaces Christmas trees in our houses. Now, the next question you probably have is, then where do the presents go? There aren't presents on Christmas Day in Mexico. Now, 2 weeks later, on the day of the three wise men, you will get one present. And I shouldn't say that. Not all houses, not all families are the same. Some people do go a little crazy and do borrow some of the traditions that they've seen from America. Some people who live in Mexico aren't native there. Some people came from Europe and live in Mexico, and they still keep their own traditions. This is just the native population in Mexico. So you don't get Christmas presents on Christmas Day. Now, what we do have are los Posadas. Now, from Thursday, December 16th, till Friday, December 24th, every single night you have a party with your family and neighbors. You walk around to people's houses and sing songs like Christmas carols. And then the last house you stop at has a party there. Kids drink cocoa. You don't get presents, but the party ends with the breaking of the piñata. Every night, from Thursday till Christmas Eve, we have these parties. Every night, your cousins get all together. Everyone sings songs, eat some, not like a dinner, but like snacks like churros, hot cocoa, a special type of punch. And then you break Christmas piñata. Normally the Christmas piñatas are like this. They have 7 stars, but lately I haven't seen a lot of those. Lately people are getting all kinds of piñatas, Dora the Explorer piñatas. All right, let's talk about something else that's different for me. You guys use a lot of Christmas lights. And again, we don't really use that too much in Mexico. The reason is here in Michigan and in North Europe, it gets dark really quick. So like at 5:30 at night here in Michigan, it's already dark. And people decided they didn't like the dark, so they started putting up candles and then eventually Christmas lights. Now this doesn't happen in Mexico because the sun's out longer. The reason it's so cold here is because the sun doesn't come out so much. But in Mexico, the sun's out pretty much 12 hours a day. So you don't have to worry about Christmas lights. What do we have instead, though? We have Christmas fireworks. On Christmas, we shoot off fireworks. And it's not unusual to have fireworks every single day at the parties. All right, so what did we learn? No Christmas trees in Mexico. We use fireworks, and there are 8, I believe, days of parties. Thank you so much.